प्रणाम दोस्तों, वेलकम टू जासर क्लासेस।
सरकार ने आपके अकाउंट में 108 रुपये 25 पैसे की सब्सिडी क्रेडिट कर दी है। थैंक यू, कैरी ऑन।
Okay. So sentence is the government has credited rupees 108.25 for LPG subsidy to your account. Okay. So this is our passive voice sentence. Aparna Di, can you tell me which sentence, which chapter does this sentence belong?
Sarika, this sentence belongs to ma'am present perfect tense.
Okay. Poonam Bhabhi, what is the category of this sentence?
It is an affirmative sentence, Sarika.
Okay. Raj,
Yes,
what is the subject in this sentence?
ma'am, the government is the subject in this sentence.
Very good. KK Bhaiya, what is the helping verb here?
Has is the helping verb over there.
Okay. Aparna Di, what is the credit here? Credited here?
Credited is a third form of the verb here.
Credited is the third form of here. Rupees 108.25 for LPG subsidy. Okay. What is this part here, Poonam Bhabhi?
This is object. This part is object here.
Okay. Raj, what is this part here?
Rupees 108.25 for LPG subsidy is the object in this sentence.
Okay. KK Bhaiya, what do you say? What is this
Uh,
part?
and that part is object over there.
Object. Okay. Can you elaborate what is object? Anybody can tell me what is object? Object क्या है?
जिसके ऊपर कर्ता कर्म करता है.
कर्ता का
जिसके
प्रभाव जो करता है वो ऑब्जेक्ट, मतलब सब्जेक्ट इज सब्जेक्ट
कर्ता का प्रभाव. अच्छा, in Hindi, what should be the meaning of कर्ता?
कर्ता जिस पर कर्म का प्रभाव पड़ रहा है, नहीं जो काम कर रहा है.
जो काम कर रहे हैं. And what is कर्म according to the grammar?
कर्म इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट
Hmm.
है ना,
Hmm.
और ऑब्जेक्ट पे कर्म कर्ता का प्रभाव पड़ता है.
This is subject. This is object. Okay. And suppose this is verb. So subject, what is doing, it is called verb. What is subject? If subject is in an action and what is subject is doing, it is called verb. Okay. And what is verb? हिंदी में बोलती हूं मैं. क्रिया का प्रभाव जिस पर पड़ता है उसे कहते हैं कर्म. ये क्रिया है, इसका प्रभाव जिस पर पड़ रहा है वो है कर्म. तो सपोज दिस इज आर सब्जेक्ट एंड दिस इज आर मेन वर्ब. सो गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया? गवर्नमेंट ने क्रेडिट दिया है, पर किसको दिया है? किस पे प्रभाव पड़ रहा है? तो व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस?
ऑब्जेक्ट
हाँ.
to your account. ऑब्जेक्ट इज योर अकाउंट।
हाँ, गवर्नमेंट ने आपको जो 108 रुपए दिए हैं उसका प्रभाव किस पे पड़ रहा है? 108 रुपए पे थोड़ी ना पड़ रहा है, उसका प्रभाव तो आप पे पड़ रहा है क्योंकि आपके अकाउंट में दिए हैं। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी योर सब्जेक्ट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट हियर, बिकॉज वॉट एवर सरकार इज डूइंग डायरेक्टली इट्स इम्पैक्ट ऑन आर अकाउंट, isn't it? Maybe I'm not explaining correctly, but as per as my knowledge, whatever subject is doing, so that action impact on the object, it is called the object. जिस पे पड़ता है प्रिया का असर उसको ऑब्जेक्ट बोलते हैं। तो यहाँ गवर्नमेंट ने पैसे जो सब्सिडी दी है वो हमारे अकाउंट में गई है ना, तो उसका प्रभाव किस पे पड़ रहा है? अकाउंट पे पड़ रहा है, ना कि इस पे पड़ रहा है। इसको क्या है, तो दे दी गई है, इस पे थोड़ी ना कुछ पड़ रहा है। Your account object.
ऑब्जेक्ट
Your account is here. Okay. So what is this here? Please 10125 for LPG subsidy. What is this part here? Can you guess? देखिए भैया,
I think you are making right sentence, and that is my point of view.
टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम।
so do you agree with my statement?
Yes, I am
Do
agree
you
with
agree
your
with me,
statement.
na?
Yes, I
Okay.
am agree with your statement.
Oh, something is troubling me.
KK, I agree with you. I am agree is wrong.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Maybe my explanation was to explain. If account is object, so what is this? Please 1022. What is this?
योर वॉइस इज चॉपिंग।
Oh, give me only 2 minutes. Na?
KK, Sarika asked, do you agree with me, right?
Yes, sir.
Now answer me, do you agree with me?
Yes, sir. I agree with you.
क्या आप मुझसे सहमत हैं?
हाँ सर, मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ।
ये पूरा राउंड चला दो।
Okay. Di, do you agree with me?
यस केके, आई एग्री विथ यू।
दी, क्या आप मेरे से सहमत हैं?
हाँ केके, मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ। राज, डू यू एग्री विथ मी?
Yes, ma'am, I agree with you.
सहमत है?
Yes, ma'am, मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ। पूनम दी, do you agree with me?
Yes, Raj, I'm agree with you.
Sorry.
Yes, I agree with you.
बोलो भारत माता की जय।
जय।
And Sarika, one suggestion for you. As per my knowledge is good sentence. Thank you. Carry on.
Okay, sir.
पूनम दी, क्या
As
आप
per my knowledge. Carry on,
पूनम दी,
बेटा.
क्या आप मुझसे सहमत हैं?
हाँ, मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ। सारिका, डू यू एग्री विथ मी?
Yes, absolutely, Bhabhi. I agree with you.
सारिका, क्या आप मुझसे सहमत हैं?
हाँ, मैं आपसे पूरी तरह से सहमत हूँ. Do you agree with me, Bhabhi, कि your account is the object here?
Yes, I am agree with you कि your account is the
Sorry,
object
sorry,
here.
sorry.
Sorry, Bhabhi.
Come again, Sarika.
Do you agree with me, Bhabhi?
Yes, I am agree with you.
सॉरी बोला.
Sorry.
I'm asking to you present simple tense.
I agree with you.
हाँ.
So yes,
So, Aparna Di, what is this? Rupees 108.25 for LPG subsidy.
when your account is an object, so it should be an extension.
Yeah. So, can we write down like this? The government has credited to your account rupees 108 for LPG subsidy. Is this sequence is right or wrong? What do you think, Raj? Raj?
Ma'am, I think it's right.
Which one?
Ma'am, if you are taking your account as an object and ma'am, please come again your question.
No, I asked, the government has credited to your account rupees 108.25 for LPG subsidy. This sequence is right. और voice, Poonam Bhabhi.
The third rule of passive voice is we remember the god of passive voice, that is B.
Very nice. So now we remembered God of passive voice and I have written B. But Aparna Di, I wanna ask you, can you tell me what is the formula of present perfect tense?
The Formula of present perfect tense is subject plus helping verb plus V3 plus object and plus extension.
Very nice. This is our present perfect formula. Okay. So according to this formula, I have to put here V3. Okay. So what is the third form of B? KK bhaiya?
Been is the third form of be.
Been is the third form of B. Very good. So your account has been. Okay. Now Poonam Bhabhi, can you tell me what is the fourth rule of passive voice?
The fourth rule of passive voice, we take the we change the main verb into the third form of the verb.
Okay. Aparna Di, can you tell me what is the main verb in upper one sentence?
Credit is a main verb in upper one sentence.
Okay. Credit is the main verb of upper one sentence. And Raj, what is the third form of credit?
And credited is the third form of credit.
Very good. Credited is the third form of credit. ये हो गया V3. Your account हो गया हमारा subject. ये हो गया हमारा helping verb. ये यहाँ पे है ये V3. और lastly, what should we do? KK bhaiya, what is the fifth rule of passive voice?
Lastly, we change the subject into the object with the help of by.
Okay, but firstly, we should take rupees 108.25 for LPG subsidy. This is our extension, but I think we have to write here because we have to maintain the correct sequence. So that's why I'm writing your account has been credited rupees 108.25 for is the preposition here, LPG subsidy, and then we follow the fifth rule of passive voice. So KK bhaiya already told the fifth rule of passive voice, that is we change subject into the object. So LPG with the help of by. So by the government. So the government is our object here and by is the preposition here. So according to the passive voice rule, we have changed this active voice sentence into this passive voice sentence. So sentence is can you read this?
The sentence is, your account has been credited rupees 108.25 for LPG subsidy by the government.
The government. Poonam Bhabhi, what should be the Hindi meaning of this sentence?
The Hindi meaning of this sentence should be, गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा आपके खाते में 108 रुपये 25 पैसे की राशि क्रेडिटेड की जा चुकी है. सब्सिडी, LPG subsidy.
For what?
Okay, I'm repeating my sentence. अ, सरकार द्वारा आपके खाते में 108 रुपए 25 पैसे की राशि एलपीजी सब्सिडी के लिए जमा की जा चुकी है।
Raj, can you translate this sentence, please?
यस मैम। आपके अकाउंट में सरकार द्वारा ₹108.25 की अनुभूति संकलित की जा चुकी है। अंक लिख, अंक
अनुभूति
लिख।
नहीं बेटा, अनुभूति नहीं बेटा, अनुवृत्ति।
अनुवृत्ति।
हाँ, अनुवृत्ति। अनुभूति मीन्स फीलिंग होता है, अनुवृत्ति सब्सिडी।
Actually, you're blur in my. I don't know what's wrong with my
Okay,
network.
okay, no
You
problem.
can zoom it, beta.
Actually, I'm zooming, but it's not clear in my laptop.
हाँ,
Network problem होगी क्या?
sometimes over zooming create blur screen. Sometimes. Okay, no problem. This is anuvritti means
Anuvritti.
subsidy. Okay. के भैया, please translate this.
सरकार के द्वारा आपके खाते में 108 रुपए 25 पैसे की अनुवृत्ति कर दी गई है। ये डाल दी है।
किसके लिए?
सॉरी, सरकार के द्वारा आपके खाते में एलपीजी के लिए 108 रुपए 25 पैसे की अनुवृत्ति कर दी गई है।
ओके, सरकार के द्वारा आपके खाते में एलपीजी सब्सिडी के लिए 108 रुपए 25 पैसे की राशि आकलित कर दी गई है।
यस,
है ना? हाँ, तो देयर इज नो स्पेस, सो इज दिस नीड टू राइट डाउन दिस सेंटेंस हियर? नो नीड ना?
We can say कि आपके सरकार के द्वारा आपके खाते में 108 रुपए 25 पैसे की एलपीजी सब्सिडी जमा की जा चुकी हाँ
हाँ, जा चुकी है। It is right. This is the sentence. So we made successfully, I think, together this sentence.
Thank you for joining. God bless you. Take very good care of you. Bye bye. Ciao.